What's up? It's your girl Marcia and welcome to another video. I know, yes, Basil Bean. We are gonna go outside. Currently about to go bear the cold for my dogs so that I can go take them on a walk and get a walk myself as well, because even though it's cold, it's definitely good for me. But then gonna see what we get into for the week. Definitely to just kind of reset, clean up, do my laundry. That's a huge one. And then do some homework, because there's always homework to do until the semester's over. But definitely not as cold as I expected it to be. Of course, I'm also bundled up, so that helps, but hopefully he does his thing soon. Typically, it's about a 15-20 minute walk, which it's a good way for me to get my steps in since I won't be working out today. But my first client was also at 6, so typically on Mondays I work about 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. with like a 2-hour break in between. So this is just a good way to get me moving outside of what I have to do for work and training clients. I don't know the method other people go about when they walk their dogs, but I definitely like to just let Basil lead the way, and then wherever he goes is where I go, and hopefully he does his thing. But today it looks like he's taking me to the falls, so that's at least a pretty view. And then if he doesn't poop there, we're definitely just going back home. Good morning. It is the next day. Yesterday after walking Basil, I just did not pick my camera back up. Simply, I got home, made some pasta, scarfed that down, and then went to work. And then after work I had math homework to do, so I was probably doing that from about like 7:30 to 10 o'clock at night, and I just didn't record anything. But today I'm gonna make sure to do better. Although it's currently snowing, so I'm definitely going to have to just get up, bundle up, and go shovel. Like, I don't mind winter, but I hate the maintenance that comes with it. I don't want to shovel. I don't want to be wet. I don't want to be in the cold. Hello, Bean Boo. I'm just not about that life. But I don't know. There's no school, but it's like I feel like an asshole if I'm the only one who looks like we didn't shovel our sidewalk. So I'm gonna go do it.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb.
Okay, getting ready to finally go brave the cold. Like, I don't know, it's still snowing, and so it's like, is there a point in even shoveling? Because it's just gonna get snowed over, but I don't want to have to do it later, so I'm gonna go now. My clients keep canceling, which I'm not mad at it today because I really don't want to go driving, even though the roads are a lot more clear than they were to start out with. But bundling up. Then I have to get some homework done. Continue doing laundry while I do that. Make some lunch. It's a pretty relaxing day outside of just doing homework, but there's like 2 more weeks left, so just really kind of pushing through and trying not to check out as much as I've already have, because I'm done. I'm so ready to be on break.
Up walls, I feel like life is on hold. Perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way.
Okay, well, I'm glad shoveling didn't take that long, and it actually isn't that cold. It's just snowed a lot. But now I'm gonna go take Basil on a walk. I swear, like, you want to get more movement in, get a pet. Well, get a pet that you decide to walk and not just like take in your backyard, because it'll definitely get you moving more. Because taking at least 3 walks a day gets all my steps in for me. But then sometimes that's where I kind of think of like we messed up when we started taking the dog out, because I feel like most people just take their dog in the backyard and they're fine. He refuses to poop back there. Pee all day. Poop, never.
Okay, yeah. No, I hear you, sorry.
Okay, Marcia, you finally know what's going on now, at least in this chapter. I wouldn't say I'm like that great when it comes to anatomy and physiology. It definitely depends on which chapter I'm in. But right now, it's a good day. Well, it's a good chapter because I feel like I actually seem like I know what's going on. And I love that for me. But luckily, this is the last chapter. I know I'm going to go into next semester probably feeling very lost and confused again, but it's okay. It comes with the territory. Good morning. It is currently Monday around 7:30 a.m. About to train my first client of the day, but yeah, just finishing this banana before I head inside. Gonna go train her. I have about 4 clients this morning, so I'll be at work until about 10:30. Go home, eat lunch, chill before I go right back to work at 3:30ish. So not too bad of a day. But I definitely need to like reset. It's the first day of not having classes. Yo, that's the best feeling ever. I've like never felt like restricted from freedom. I don't know. It's kind of fucked up because I pay for it. But yeah, I'm excited. It's a good day. But gonna walk into the gym, train clients, and I'll check back in with you later. Okay, starting off the week strong, hitting the leg. I had 2 30-minute periods in 3 sessions, so while it's not ideal, it was still a perfect time to just get a workout in because I didn't want to have to come back to the gym later. But also just doing what I need to do to keep the booty cute and juicy because our glutes are a powerhouse and I need to keep them strong. I hate wearing snow boots. I hate having to switch into shoes whenever I go somewhere and don't want to be clunking around in my boots all day. Like, it's just kind of annoying and obnoxious. But more so annoying that I went to the gym, changed it to my sneakers, and then forgot to change back into my boots. So walked all the way in the car and had to go all the way back into the cold to get to the gym to go grab my boots. So not the biggest issue. I guess I should see it as I'm getting in more steps, but I don't need those steps right now. Now though, I need to go get gas and then head home, chill, get some lunch, eat a real breakfast actually nowadays, so maybe have some brunch as I should call it, and then get ready to go to the high school later to train the kiddos. Cool. tank is full, so now I can head home. I truly don't get how people go to gas stations that don't give you points that you spend at the gas station, because I love that I literally just spent $25 to fill up my tank because I had 77 cents off the gallon. So it's actually a couple days later, just finished getting some coffee and now I'm about to head home after training a few clients. The weather is actually beautiful today. Like, I need to get out, take Basil on a nice little walk, just because surprisingly, like, it almost feels unreal that it's going to be 50 degrees. It's December 17th, but I'm here for it. Although with Ithaca's weather right now, I swear it seems like the wind blows and it goes from 50 degrees to 22 real quick. So yeah, it is what it is. I get to hang out with you all day today. You wanna know why? It's a good day. I don't got no glasses. Yeah. Your girl is a free woman, at least for 6 weeks. I don't have to do any studying. I don't have to stay at my computer if I don't want to. I don't have to stay up late if I don't want to. I can hang out with a friend without contemplating it. Like, I feel so free. It's a nice feeling. I'm excited. I don't really have too many plans for what I plan to do on my break. John and I definitely are going to do a little getaway with the dog and my sister. We're going to go to an Airbnb and chill for a few days. But other than that, I need to clean my house. I need to do all the chores and things that I was not doing while I was so busy doing work and get those things done. Like, I just want to clean, dust, deep clean, put away my summer clothes and get my winter clothes out. So little tasks like that is honestly probably what I'll be spending most of my time on, but also catching up on shows, taking dogs on walk that I like have want to go on and actually have time to. So that'll be nice. But today I have another client train, and then honestly not too much. Your girl's craving some chicken wings, so I'm gonna have to go and get some of those, but I do also need to cook dinner so that I stop eating takeout, because saving money is nice too. So just put some food in the crock pot, and normally when I make a beef stew, I usually just get one of those little McCormick, whatever they are, crock pot seasonings, just so I can put it in there, make it easy, and then I season it myself. But I feel like that gives me a nice base and it has a good flavor to it. But this time I decided to just pretty much take the beef bouillon and mix it with some stock, and I put rosemary in there. I deglazed the pan. So, I mean, I know it'll taste good, but I hope it still has like that same flavor, because I'm not actually sure what seasonings they put in there. I just honestly season most of my food with all the same seasonings. And I'm hoping it tastes good. I'm going to make a slurry so there'll be a gravy, but I'm just not exactly sure what the final taste will be, but I know it'll taste good. Beef and potatoes, and ate over some rice. So about to go eat that and then get ready to bed. I need to go and then get ready for bed. I need to go and fold some laundry. I don't even care if I finish it, but like, the laundry's been sitting there for weeks. It's clean and I have nowhere to put my laundry that's in the dryer. So I need to fold some of that so that I can take the clothes out of the dryer and hopefully fold those sooner than later. And I think that's where I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna go to bed soon. I hope you all liked this video. Please subscribe if you did, and catch you in the next one.